When nature meets nurture, when love for food meets love for wellness, when traditional cooking meets modern thinking, a revolution is born. For generations, Indian kitchens have been the birthplace for authentic flavors, aromas and recipes passed down through time. But the secret wasn't just in the spices or the culinary methods, it was in the cookware. Seasoned with love and made by hand, cast iron cookware was used from time immemorial to transform every dish into a richer, healthier and flavorsome delight. Cast iron is an heirloom, a connection to the past and the future. Durable and tough, it enhances flavors, retains heat and naturally infuses iron into every meal. A legacy that has stood the test of authenticity, flavor, nutrition and durability over centuries in India and across the globe. This ancient metal is making a powerful comeback. Naturally, non-stick, chemical-free and built to last a lifetime, cast iron cookware comes with a deep commitment towards cooking better, living healthier and planet-friendly thinking. At StoveKraft, we are honoring this age-old tradition by creating modern masterpieces in a metal highly valued by our ancestors. Manufactured in India's largest fully integrated cast iron foundry, spread across 11,000 square meters, which is housed in a mammoth production area spanning all of 214,000 square meters, StoveKraft is living testimony to the fact that cutting-edge innovation, advanced automation, craftsmanship and precision technology can coexist harmoniously. A benchmark of expertise and excellence, our facility is as inclusive as it is skilled. Women are at the forefront of our manufacturing operations, and we are proud to have provided skills training to a dedicated workforce of over 6,000 personnel, all committed to creating cookware and appliances of global standards. God lies in the details, they say. With an investment of $6 million in state-of-the-art machinery, including dicer machinery and inductotherm furnaces, this is perfection that won't cut corners. Quality is not an act for us, it's a habit. From a sand plant to auto-pouring machines to seasoning lines, our facility leaves no stone unturned in process and precision. When the process is meticulous, the results are exceptional. It all begins with sourcing high-quality raw materials like pig iron, recycled steel and castings, which are then melted using electric induction furnaces operating at 2,800 degrees Celsius, ensuring precision and slag removal. This is followed by molding and casting that uses age-old traditional techniques dating back to 680 BCE, combined with modern automation. After this is done, the cookware undergoes finishing, which involves removal of sharp edges and is then shot blasted and polished for a smooth finish. Finally, it is time to create a natural non-stick surface, which is done by pre-seasoning with vegetable oil and baking the cookware. When a well-finished product takes shape, it leaves some material as waste. But at StoveKraft, nothing goes to waste. We run a zero-waste foundry where every piece of scrap is reused to produce new batches of cast iron products. Just like leaving no scrap unused is in our DNA. Check, check and recheck is our mantra when it comes to our cookware. Stringent and multiple quality checks are mandatory for any piece of cookware going out of our factory. From material composition analysis and heat distribution testing to surface quality inspection, we do it all. That's why our cookware comes with the badge of unmatched durability and superior cooking performance. Versatility is the name of the game, and we want our cast iron cookware to live up to this promise. Built for both traditional and modern kitchens, cast iron cookware is an excellent cooking partner thanks to its compatibility with gas, induction, and open flame cooking. Pre-seasoned for convenience, these beauties come in multiple sizes as well. Concentration, dedication, passion. Each piece of cookware created at StoveKraft is a tribute to our understanding of our customers' needs. With a staggering 22 million cookware pieces produced annually, we ensure that homes around the world experience the finest in cooking excellence. Our cast iron production capacity alone stands at 2.4 million pieces per year, proof enough that our commitment to health-conscious cooking is unparalleled. Legacy can only be built by a brand that the world trusts. At StoveKraft, we have been building trust steadily, product after product, day after day, year after year. For the last 25 years, StoveKraft has been redefining kitchens worldwide. Previously backed by Sequoia Capital and now a publicly listed company on the stock exchanges of India, we export to 14 plus countries, partnering with global retail giants like Walmart, Asda, and IKEA. In a world seeking authenticity, one truth remains constant. Great food comes from great cookware. Cast iron cookware has been an essential part of Indian kitchens, and today, StoveKraft is bringing this age-old tradition to the world. Come join hands with StoveKraft, where tradition meets innovation, where quality meets sustainability, and where great food stories take birth.